And now, to start our recipe, you'll need a medium potato. You can cook it with or without the skin. We're going to cook it until it's soft enough to mash. And you can do it in a pressure cooker. It would take about 6 to 7 minutes. And I like to cut it into cubes of about 5 centimeters, which makes it much faster. It cooks for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it will be ready. Here you just add the potatoes. About 15 to 20 minutes, I'll check them with a toothpick. Meanwhile, let's prepare our dough with 100 grams of flour, 60 milliliters of milk, whole milk, 10 grams of melted butter. It can be salted or unsalted. A little bit of salt. And now just mix it. First with the spatula. Then we'll use our hands. And now let's mix and knead it until it becomes a smooth dough. Here, after 5 minutes, we'll let it rest. You can cover it with plastic wrap or put it inside a small bag, which I think is easier. Done. And now let it sit in the fridge for about an hour. And here, the potatoes are already well cooked. After exactly 15 minutes, just turn it off. Let them drain. After about 2 minutes, let's mash the potatoes. You can also do it with a fork. Here, everything is well mashed. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise Kyopi. If you don't have it, you can use whatever mayonnaise you have at home. Just mix it. If you add Kyopi mayonnaise, you don't need to add salt because the mayonnaise is already a little salty. If it's another type of mayonnaise, just a little bit of salt. Done. And after an hour in the fridge, we're going to start rolling it out. Just sprinkle a little bit of flour. And let's start rolling it out to a size of 20 to 22 centimeters. And here with the dough rolled out, plenty of mozzarella. And leave about 2 fingers width of space from the edge of the dough to the cheese. Our mashed potatoes. Spread it well. And cover with more mozzarella cheese. And now just grab the edge and start folding. When you get to the end, just give it a squeeze. It's closed. Now just give it a squeeze to let the air out. Just turn it over. Roll it again. And now, just a little bit of butter in the pan. You can spread it all over the pan. Put it in. Very low heat. Spread a little butter on top here as well. Cover it. Let's leave it until it turns golden brown. And to know if it's ready, just take a quick look. It won't fall apart. Just slide the spatula underneath. Take a quick look. And that's it. It's still not ready. And now let's flip it. It's pretty easy. Just give the pan a little toss downward. And that's it. And now you don't need to cover it. Just let it brown. Here, I'm already going to turn off the heat. If you want it more browned, you can leave it a bit longer. I'm going to put it here on the cutting board. Now you just need to cut it. And just look how delicious it turns out. I make it at home. Then you tell me what you think.